Welcome back to our Online Access video tutorial series. In this video, we will demonstrate how you can edit your personal details and documentation. The first thing to do is move your mouse up to the top right-hand corner of the screen and drop down the menu, where you will see two options, either to log out or to edit your profile, which we will select. From here, you will be able to change your birthday and address. Next is where you can upload any necessary account documents, either by dragging them into the box or by clicking the box and selecting the files you want to upload. Below that is where you can set your preferences for how you would like us to notify you when money is received, traded, or transferred. Click Save and you'll see all the information is updated. All of these options can also be accessed in the gray menu on the left-hand side of the screen. And that's it for this tutorial on editing your profile.